Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really easy DIY homemade face pack for youthful, even and glowing skin. Summers are here and our skin needs a little bit of extra care, and this concoction is what I have been using to take care of my skin in this season. I started using this when I went home for Holi to my parents' place, and my mom actually had all these ingredients in her skincare cabinet. The first ingredient you need is sandalwood powder. I personally love the smell of chandan, but more than that, I really like how it clears up my skin. It has exfoliating and antibacterial properties. It also has several anti-aging benefits, and because of this reason it's used very widely in skincare and personal care products. The second ingredient you need is haldi. Haldi has really good antiseptic properties and it also has skin brightening benefits, and when you combine this with sandalwood powder, this mixture is just great for getting really youthful, really even, uniform, glowing skin. I take 1 tablespoon of the sandalwood powder, a pinch of haldi, and to make a paste you can use water, you can also use raw milk if you've got dry skin, but I really like using aloe vera because I have combination skin. Aloe vera gives it a really nice consistency. It also hydrates and calms the skin down in the summer. So I apply this on dry, cleansed skin and I keep it on for at least 10 minutes. Now because of the aloe vera gel, this may not completely dry 100%, but I've just washed it off after 10 to 15 minutes and my skin just feels so clear after using this. When you're rinsing it off, just do a slight circular massage motion and you will feel the physical exfoliation of the sandalwood powder, and I feel like that really smoothens my skin out. Doing this every day or even thrice a week can really enhance your complexion, and I always feel more beautiful when I'm taking care of my skin. But you know what really enhances your beauty? It's this little beauty spot right here. Given that it's election time, I urge you all to please cast your vote this election. I know we all like looking youthful and that is great, but I think our country also needs its youth to think young as well. And with that very important message, that is all for this video. I hope you found my DIY recipe helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.